Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Twitter app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Twitter app problem, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will enter to the window of Twitter. Then this list you'll enter to first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Here in this page of storage, as you see, we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. If you will find it in this blue sign update, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, and subscribe. See you next time in another video.